Today on the OMI Show, Patriotic Rice Cereal Treats. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm OMI and welcome to the OMI Show. Saturday is our first day, so we're gonna make some yummy treats. But first, let me change my clothes. That's better. You will need some corn mat, parchment paper for easy cleanup, rice cereal treats, Ziploc bag, scissors, lollipop sticks, sprinkles, 3 bowls with red, white, and blue chocolate, and 3 spoons. Let's get started. Step 1. Put parchment paper on the silicone mat. If you don't have a silicone mat, you could use a baking sheet. Step 2. Stick the lollipop stick in the rice cereal treats. Step 3. Ask a grown-up to put the chocolate in the microwave. Did you know on the 4th day is a day to honor the men and women of the United States military? The United States military consists of the Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Space Force, Coast Guard, and National Guard. Now do you know? Let's get back to the recipe. Step 4. Dip the rice cereal treat in the chocolate. I did them halfway, but you could dip them as far as you want. Step 5. Decorate them with sprinkles. Quick tip, put a Ziploc in a cup. Add some chocolate to it. Then push the bowl to the side. Pull the Ziploc out. Cut the tip with scissors. Then decorate. When you're done, they might look like this. Step 6. Put them in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. That's it. You're done. Okay, now for the yummy part. Let's try them. I hope you have fun making this recipe. And you make it, tell me on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.